Today we are going to start the journey to expand the capabilities I have to record quality videos. Up until now, I have been using two Canon Legva camcorders to record the video footage and have most recently added a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. This fits in nicely with the DaVinci Resolve Studio software, also from Blackmagic, which is used to edit the video footage. What I'm adding today is this, the ATEM Mini Pro. The packaging itself does a good job of describing what the device can do. It can be used to connect up to 4 cameras or computers via its HDMI inputs. It also supports live streaming via its Ethernet port. It can also record to USB devices in H.264 format, and additionally it can use its USB output to operate as a webcam to other software such as Teams, Zoom, Skype, etc. There is also an ATEM software control panel allowing access to each feature in the switcher. So let's open up the box and have a look at it. Inside our box we have a welcome leaflet which has a link to download the instruction manual. A sticker and some details of DaVinci Resolve which I'm already using. At the very top we have our power connector which has a number of different regional connectors, so we'll just clip in the one for the UK. We can use that in a moment. And look at the tray underneath, we can see the Mini Pro itself. So here we have the ATEM Mini Pro. It does indeed have a plethora of buttons on the front. Let's look at the edge connector. The edge connector has connections for each of the 4 HDMI inputs, and it also has an HDMI output allowing you to monitor what's coming in. We have the USB output socket, we have our Ethernet socket, and we have a power socket. The power socket is threaded so that when the power connection is made, you can screw this in so it won't pop out at an inconvenient time. We also have inputs for 2 microphones, mic 1 and mic 2. As you can see, when the unit is switched on, all the buttons are backlit, so it's very easy to see which button you've actually pushed. So on the unit itself, we have the controls for the 2 microphones, on off, up and down volume. We have controls for each of the 4 HDMI inputs, allowing you to switch any of them on, the large buttons to select the channel you wish, and over on the right hand side we have controls for the disc for showing that you're on air if you're streaming, and also for duration, effect and video out, so you can select which video output you wish to show live. The unit also lets you do broadcast transitions, such as mix, dip, wipe and even more. All transitions can be customised by adjusting the parameters such as duration, border width, position and direction. It also allows support for chroma key. So what is this new device going to control? This is my current setup, with 3 large monitors and 5 smaller ones. Not all the monitors are on at the same time. It depends what software or hardware is currently being tested or demonstrated. The ATEM Mini Pro will allow me to connect 4 devices, either computers or cameras, in any combination. So the next few weeks for me should be interesting as I learn and get up to speed with this new unit. So I will give you updates on the channel when we're starting to make use of this. However, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.